Hello everyone, it's National Park Wild. I'm Eric. Currently at Canyonlands National Park. There's a bit of a winter storm right now. Nothing too major, but I'm on my way to Mesa Arch. My family's up ahead. Very beautiful area. It's a bit cloudy, unfortunately. Still very nice. Let's head over to the arch. Alright, we're at the arch now, and behind it, it's only clouds. You can't really see a whole lot of the canyon, which is unfortunate, but it's still a very cool sight. I've never seen the arch covered in snow. Here's my dad, my brother. We're having a great time. The weather is not quite what we expected, but still very nice scenery. National Park Wild, currently at the Grand Viewpoint Trail at Canyonlands National Park. Alright, looking at Shafer Canyon right now, that road down there. So we're going to be driving soon. The weather is finally clearing up a little bit. You can actually see a bit. Heck, you can even see the sun. But now we're gonna do some off-road driving, head toward Moab and Corona Arch. Hopefully we'll enjoy our hike there. A bit cloudy at Canyonlands, but undeniably beautiful. Alright, currently we are on Long Canyon Road near Dead Horse Point State Park in Utah. It's a bit bumpy, but it's a bit of an off-road adventure. We're headed toward Corona Arch near Moab. Hopefully gonna have a good time there. Okay, currently we are at the trailhead for Corona Arch near Moab, Utah. Going to have a nice hike. Plenty of nice views around the parking lot, a lot of great scenery. Very excited for this hike. Okay, still on the Corona Arch Trail. Apparently we have to cross some train tracks. Very cool to look into the canyon and see the tracks. All right, we're going across now. We've officially climbed a ladder to get up to this far. The view right now is beautiful. Panoramic, all sorts of rocks everywhere. Really, really great. However, we're not quite done yet because we're going all the way there. Getting closer to Corona Arch. Almost at the end of the trail. Still amazing views all around. And this is it, Corona Arch. We are here. There's plenty of other incredible views all around. Other arches, canyons, train tracks down there. Really, really nice hike. If you're in the Moab area, I recommend also spending some time on this trail. It doesn't take too long and it's very fun. Very nice, very nice. Thank you for watching. I've had a great day here in the Moab area, part of Island in the Sky Canyonlands, and also Corona Arch. Really nice place. Can't wait to see some of Arches National Park tomorrow and Needles after that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below your thoughts, subscribe for more content, like the video if you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.